In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the axle shift actuator on your GMC K1500. This is going to be located on the front axle under the vehicle. Let's get started. We're under the car, and right in the middle on the front axle, you're going to find our axle shift actuator. If you follow this wire back, right on the back side of that axle, you're going to find this connector. Go ahead and lift up on the tab and separate that. The wire's sitting in a small little bracket that just pops out. You can just pull it right out of that bracket. I'll pull that harness forward. We're going to use an adjustable wrench, and we're going to remove this shift motor. Pull the actuator straight out and remove it from the vehicle. I'm going to use a clean rag and wipe down our area. Our threads are pretty gunky, so we're going to clean them up a little bit. Once you have the area nice and clean, we're going to install the new shift actuator. Push it straight into place and thread it in. Snug it down with your wrench. Get it nice and snug. Pull that harness up and over. Install the connector. Make sure that tab is fully seated. We're going to pull our harness over and install it into that little clip. Once you have your harness secured, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.